What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the 3x3 Pyraminx, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and Megaminx. As you can see, we're going easiest, kind of hard, and then hardest. So we're gonna start with the Pyraminx. So let's scramble it. Okay, let's solve it. 3, 2, 1, go. Where's the piece? Oh, there it is. Now here you have to be really careful. And I did it. So we solved the 3x3 Pyraminx. Moving on to the second easiest cube. Let's scramble it. This is called the 2x2 gang. And as you can see in this video, every one of them are gangs. Yeah. So I got this for Christmas, this from my dad, and this too from my dad, and this from my dad, and this from Christmas. Let's start solving my 2x2. 3, 2, 1, go. And as you can see, that's the 2x2 solved. Moving on to the, drumroll please, 3x3 gang. And it's gonna be kind of hard, not to lie. Let's scramble it. Make sure all the sides are scrambled. Okay, let's solve it in 3, 2, 1. I like the texture of gang cubes. They just move like so fast. If you have enough money to buy like all the Rubikses, I would prefer you buy a gang cube that's really good for you. Because they help. I'm stuck here. Sorry. I don't know if I know it. I'm just gonna do that one. I mean, it works. Okay. As you can see, that's the 3x3 gang cube. Now we're moving on to the 4x4, which is hard too. Let's scramble it. Oh, and you heard that like gang cubes make less sound, but this 4x4 doesn't make less sound. It's because it's kind of big for the cube to handle. Okay, let's solve it. 3, 2, 1, go. I love the texture of this. And you want to get the correct patterns here. If you don't, it's going to be kind of hard. Okay, we're moving on to solving these two layers. Oh, and guys, I can tell you how I learned how to solve these cubes. So I learned this 4x4 mostly on instructions, and then the 3x3 on instructions, 2x2 a video, Pyraminx by myself. I learned how to solve it by myself. I just needed one instruction. And then Megaminx, a video. And yeah, that's all the cubes that I knew how to solve. I'm just kind of lost here. Okay, done. I'm not lost anymore. Okay, as you can see, we're done all of these. Now we're gonna solve it like a 3x3. And I think we're gonna have parity, which is no problem. If you guys don't know what parity is, it's a really hard thing to deal with. It's like when you learn how to solve a 4x4, you'll struggle. Okay, as you can see, we have parity. It's when a layer is flipped, and it's not supposed to be flipped. I messed up. It's okay. I hope I don't mess up this time. Parity. Whew. It really takes some knowledge to solve these. Oh, and guys, by the way, you don't have to be smart to solve these cubes. Like, you don't have to know everything in the world. Okay, no parity. I'll do this algorithm that's not that great for me. And as you can see, we solved the 4x4 game. Moving on to the, drumroll please, hardest cube, Megaminx. This, by the way, is like the longest cube I could ever solve. It takes me so long to solve this. It's kind of like a 3x3. It's way harder. Okay. Ready? Let's solve it in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and by the way, if you make a mistake like on the last part, you're gonna have to do everything all again. Unless you know what move you did. Yo. There. Nice. This cube is kind of challenging. Okay, we're almost done with this cube. This cube probably takes me like 15 minutes. Actually, 10 minutes to solve. Okay. Right there. As you can see, we're on the last part. Nice. And last one part. Okay. Let's go there. Oh wait, did I forget something? Wait, I did. Did I? Oh yeah, flip them. Whoops. And we solved the Megaminx. And those are all of the 5 cubes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and comment. Bye. Have a nice day.